All right, we're starting a 1-bedroom. I mean, sorry, 2-bedroom.
A 2-bedroom, yeah.
It's not super dirty.
You have to have the lights on, so we don't
Yeah, it's real dark. There's a tree outside, so the lighting can be funny because these lights aren't video friendly. So there's a couple areas right in here and right up there that look like dirty spots. I think they're abrasions. They must have had a big heavy couch or something there, and they scooted it around a little bit. So if that doesn't come out, that's what it is. Probably just fiber damage.
Yeah, here's the traffic lane, so I'll kind of give it a double hit.
All right, now this is the third apartment we've done. We got one more after this, and we're trying to get it all done before they go to lunch at noon. So they didn't tell us till this morning.
We got one more, or is this it?
We got one more.
Oh, I thought we were done.
Nope, there's one more.
Well, we've been working about an hour and 10 minutes. We got 2 of them, so I'm not going to complain too much.
Well, they didn't call us till 8:30 this morning, and they'd forgotten to call earlier in the week, and they've got 4 apartments. They said people are moving in this afternoon, so they need to be cleaned. Nobody bothered to call us. So.
The truth is, with this bonnet cleaning method, it would be hard to do, in all honesty, at a apartment complex, 10 of these a day. You really
if they're not too shot.
Yeah, if you have plenty of pre-spray out in your van or your car or whatever, you just keep filling your pre-spray.
We've been lucky today that the carpets weren't super stained. So.
Well, they're dirty. The truth is, they're just easy to clean.
While he's doing that, I'm going to go show you the rest of the apartment. We're not going to video the rest of it. But there's a smaller bedroom right there. And a large bedroom here. And there's no stains of any consequence here. So. And once again, orbital cleaning. So the pad is not just spinning, it's doing a random orbit, and it's cleaning all sides of the fiber on each pass, and it cleans all the way down to the base of the carpet. So if you have a decent pre-spray to help break everything up, the bonnet just comes along and everything's in suspension because of the pre-spray, and you just absorb it with the bonnet, and you also, because has a little bit of an aggression to the pad.
It's one of those areas you said the pad. Well, it's gone.
But it also agitates, so it gently removes any remaining dirt and stain from the fiber. That's it, you just passed it.
Oh, okay.
Right there. And I think it's just some abrasion.
Yeah, there is a scrape in the carpet work, a partial that got struck across, but there's no stain. If you're seeing something on camera, there's not dirty. That's just the carpet's been scraped real hard there, and some of the carpet's pulled out of the backing. It's almost going to be a hole in the carpet. Pretty close. But on camera it looks like a stain, but that's not what it is, trust us. If it's a stain, we take it out.
Of course, we've both been getting over some bad cold. I still have it, and Jay's almost completely out of it. We had a light day scheduled today, but it was going to be a good paying day, and then we had to reschedule everything because this came up. So trying to get done so we could get home and relax. Although I forgot, we do have another thing going this day later today. We're going to have about a 3-hour break, hopefully, when we get done from this. Time to eat lunch, maybe, get ourselves resettled, and then it's going to be one more job, but it's an easy one. So, yeah, when you're self-employed, a lot of times you get lucky. When you're sick, you end up not having a lot of work at that time, and everything is great because you get to rest and recover. But sometimes you get swamped with work when you're sick, and Just like sometimes you get swamped on a Friday night. All of a sudden, everybody wants their carpets cleaned, and everybody's in the last minute. Carpet cleaning is one of those last minute things. When someone calls, they generally like to get it done right then if they could.
Right now.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna stop the video here because I'm not gonna show all the rest of this. The carpets don't have much to.
Well, the lighting is terrible.
And their lighting is terrible. But we're gonna
We
also.
make 3 videos showing living rooms only because the bedrooms aren't that dirty. No one wants to watch you clean a hall. The living rooms are the main focal point of any apartment. So.
And making a video slows us down because I need to be raking the carpets to keep up. So we
The truth is, we have 2 more Oreck orders, and if we weren't doing this, he could be running an Oreck. He could be body cleaning, so we get done twice as quick. But we like to make videos.
But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, thanks for watching.